In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a gift card online instantly. If you need a last-minute present or just want credit to spend yourself, the process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through each step and share a few tips to keep things smooth. Start by going to a trusted gift card website or the official website of the retailer you want. Look for signs you're on the real site, like the padlock in the address bar and a familiar domain. Avoid clicking random ads. Instead, type the address directly or use a known app or bookmark. Once you're there, choose an e-gift card or digital gift card. This is the instant email delivered option, not a physical card that needs shipping. Many sites let you pick a design or add a short note, but the key is selecting the digital delivery option for fastest access. Next, select the gift card amount. You'll see preset amounts and sometimes a custom field. Pick what fits your budget. And if it's for a specific purchase, check the retailer's prices or terms so the amount covers tax or fees. Some brands have minimums or maximums for digital cards. Enter the email address for delivery. You can send it to yourself and forward it later, or enter the recipient's email directly. Double-check spelling to avoid delays, and consider adding your own email in the order details if the site allows, so you receive a copy or receipt. Add the card to your cart and review everything before you proceed: the brand, amount, quantity, and email address. Then go to checkout. Depending on the site, you may sign in or continue as a guest. Choose your payment method: credit or debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or PayPal, and enter the required details. Make sure your billing information matches what your bank has on file to prevent declines. When everything looks correct, submit the order once, then wait for the confirmation page. After the payment is completed, the gift card code typically arrives by email within seconds or a few minutes. Keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder. The message will include the code and sometimes a PIN. Save this email safely. If you're gifting it, you can forward the message or copy the code into a personal note or card. That's the whole process: quick, secure, and instant.